question that we're going to be answering today is, how can you add and subtract mixed numbers with like denominators? At the end of the lesson today, we're going to come back to you and we're going to ask you that same question and see if you know the response. So this is an example of adding a mixed number, 2 3/5 plus 1 3/5. We're going to be working with fractions with the same denominator.
Guess what? I am having a St. Patrick's Day party.
What?
Okay? I am. You invited us, and I found that. But you know what? I invited 10 people. Wow. There's a little.
What is your problem, Ms. Megan?
My problem is Mr. Mangum told everybody that they could bring a friend.
Oh.
So I no longer have 10 people coming to my party. My guest list has now doubled.
It's Ms. Mangum, we know she has a problem. She wants to make it, she has her recipe, but it's only for 10 people.
You know, but I'm not sure if I have enough. So I really need to make sure that all of my increments, all of my things are the right amount.
So you think you have enough to double it in half?
I think, I can double 1 cup of M&Ms. That's pretty easy because you guys said, Dylan, you told me all I got to do is double my same number. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So I know I'm going to have 2 cups of M&Ms. Oh, but you know what? 2 3/4 cup Honey Nut Cheerios. Okay. I like to draw.
Okay.
You know I like to draw. So I'm going to use this here, and I'm going to make 2 3/4 cup. But I know if I double it, I've got to do it twice.
So use that right now. I'm going to use just the numbers. I'm going to double 1 3/4. I'm going to make an addition equation. Now, we want you guys to double our next mixed number. Our next mixed number is 1 1/4 cup of vanilla Chex Mix. This is the one Miss Mangum was really not sure if she has enough of at her house.
So what we're going to do is we are going to give you, if you would choose to draw like I did, you can draw your answer or represent it through a drawing. We're also going to give you some manipulatives if you want to within the group. Thank you. If you want to use the drawing.
So you can use that paper, you can use these. We also want you to talk with your group members to see if they have the same answer and explain to your group members what you're doing.
So, justify your answer to me.
I did the picture one, which I colored in 2 holes, and then I had the 1/4. And I transferred one of the 1/4 to the other one, and I got 2/4.
Good. Did anybody use a different method? Did anybody use like the manipulatives or just simply adding it together? So our objective today, as you work through your groups, we're going to continue to work on my party and helping me with different recipes and all the different things that I'm going to bring to our St. Patrick's Day
You'll
party.
see at different teacher groups different things we're going to eat at the party, okay?
But all together, we are going to use those groups to identify mixed numbers and be able to add, and in some cases, some of your groups will subtract mixed numbers with like denominators.